Hi, my name is TJ Wagner, and today I'm going to show you how to change the content of the email that is sent to individuals that are asked to take the online color vision test through TestingColorVision.com. First, we recommend adding your organization's name in the email subject and what the call to action is. We want to make sure that the test takers know not to delete this email. Here are some best practices for the text in the email body. We want to tell them a little bit about the testing process and what to expect. Make sure that we add the link button. We suggest providing the link button on its own line in this email. We also suggest providing contact information for the individual who will be helping the test takers if they needed help. After completing the subject line and content, simply select Save, and it will confirm that it's been saved. Great job! You're ready to send your first online color vision test. Please visit www.waggonerdiagnostics.com and its resources page for more tips and tricks as we begin to build out our content. Thank you for using Waggoner Diagnostics for all your color vision testing needs.